Did you know that Google processes over 8.5 billion searches every single day? And most of those people are looking to buy right now. And that's the reason why most of the businesses using Google Ads see a return on investment or return on ad spend of over $2 for every single dollar. Whether you're selling products, you're selling services, or you're just looking to grow, Google Ads puts your business in front of customers exactly at the moment where they are searching for what you offer. And most businesses are using Google Ads to drive sales, to drive website leads. They are using it to drive phone calls. And this is the reason why Google Ads is so effective for any business that wants to use digital marketing to drive sales, to drive the bottom line. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of creating a Google ad account, creating Google campaign, up to the point where you are launching an effective campaign for your business. Stick around, make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and let's start selling products from your business. So whether you're a beginner or you are advanced, this is the video for you. And remember that over 80% of businesses that are using Google Ads are using it to drive the sales. So let's start the process of registering. So the first thing you need to do is to go to ads.google.com, open up that. It will be, you might see a different dashboard or a different interface depending on when you're watching this video. Click sign in, or you can click start now. You can either click sign in or start now. Sign in is for those people who already have a Google Ads account. Start now is for you if you want to get started. So just click start now. Add your business information, create your ads, and start a budget. So the first thing, that's what you need to do. So we go ahead to create our first campaign. And what we are going to say there is about our business. We can say, type in your business name. I'm going to say Chuoni. Then here, type in your website, and make sure that you start with the www or https www.chuoni.co.ke. Then click next. So if you have a YouTube channel, if you have a mobile app, you have a Google business profile, you can add them. If you don't have, just click next. Now if you don't want to create a campaign, and I would suggest you don't go ahead to create a campaign at the moment, so just click skip, and then at this point click skip again and click leave campaign creation. That way it's going to take you straight to this point here. Look for the country where you come from, basically the currency that you want to use. You can use Kenya shillings there, and then continue. At this point, so they're saying that the currency I've chosen is incompatible, so I need to go back. So make sure that you choose a currency that is okay for them. So at the moment, let's use USD. So make sure that you create a payment profile. Click there to have a payment profile. The organization name here is Chuoni Tech. I'm going to leave the name as it is. Make sure that you add the address there. I'm going to use the name as it is. Let me use 625. So all the information that I'm using here basically is for creating this, for purposes of creating this account. So tax information, you can add it there, add payment method, payment method is usually required. So make sure that you add that payment method so that you're able to run ads. So I'm going to put in my card so that you can have, then you click submit. So for me, I'm going to say no for everything and then click submit. So they're unable to charge my card for $10. So make sure that you go ahead and do all that. Put a card that they can charge $10 on and then submit. So once you submit, you're going to land on our dashboard just like this one. So I'm using a different ad account because the other one I was creating, they didn't charge my account for $10. I don't have $10 in my card, in that card, and I didn't want to use another card. You come here, this is how it looks. This is the dashboard. I want to take you through the dashboard. At the top there, you can see the Google Ads. Then you'll be able to see the name at the top there. You'll see ad account, the ad account name that you created. You can see search, appearance, refresh, and notification. And at the top right corner there, you'll be able to see the account ID and also the email that you're logged in with. Then the next thing you can see on the top left, there is the hamburger icon there. If you click there, you can have this overview recommendation, this dashboard appear, and if you click it again, it disappears. So that's how you're able to see the overview, recommendation, insights, and all these tabs on the left hand side. Then you can see the plus icon there that says create. You can click there to start creating your campaign. You can also click this big blue button there with the plus icon to start creating your ads. You can see goals. You can have your goals here. You can set up different goals. If you click on it, you'll be able to see conversions, measurements, and you can add goals. And I'll be showing you how to add different goals and things like that on your ad account on later videos. So this one I want to go over the dashboard. If you hover over the campaign section and click on it, you'll be able to see the overview of the campaign, how the campaigns that you've created are performing, recommendations that Google is giving you, insights and report. Under insights, you'll be able to see auction insights and things like that, even search, the search keywords that are giving you traffic. So you'll be able to see what people are searching on above and beyond the keywords that you've already set. Then report editor, you'll be able to see reports and you can create different dashboards. All these are sections that I'll be able to show you as we go along. Then at the campaign, you can see campaign, you can see your experiments, your campaign groups. So it's possible for you to group similar campaigns in one group, or probably you have campaigns for a specific product. You have different products that you sell and you have campaigns for each of these products. You can group them together so that you're able to see insights of different groups. Audience and keywords, this is where you see the location, the keywords, all those you'll be able to see them here. And once you create a campaign, you'll be able to see more details there. Other goals, you can see summary, values, custom, all these, you can see them from there and you can navigate through that. Tools, this is where you can find out what keywords are performing best or people are searching for when they're searching for the services that you offer. You can use discover keywords, get search volumes, organize keywords into groups. All these are things that you can do with this keyword planner. Then there is performance planner. This is where you can check the performance of your audiences and keywords. Reach planner, this is mostly for YouTube when you're trying to see how much reach your YouTube ads can get. There is the shared library. This is where you can manage your audience. You can have different audiences for retargeting, people who have visited your website or people who have purchased or done something on your website. All this you can get it from audience manager. You can exclude some audiences. You can have your brand list there, asset library. So this is where you can add assets such as site links. You can have calls, phone numbers that people can call, prices, structured snippet, text, YouTube videos. All those are assets that you can have there. Location manager, this is where if you want to target specific locations, exclude some locations, probably your business has different locations, you can always add them here. And every campaign that you're going to run is going to use those locations. Content suitability, you can check how the type of content where you want your ads to appear, or to appear especially on display advertising. Data manager, this is where you get to know more about your data, the connected products, consent settings, because right now it's very important for you to have pop-up on your website where people can give consent for you to track. So all that is very important. You can link different data sources like Google Analytics. You can link your Google Merchant Center. All these are places that you can. So you can do that with different products that Google already has. Troubleshooting, bulk actions, if you want to do probably bulk actions, rules, scripts, even uploads, you can do that. There is budget and bidding. You can set all those here. You can also have business data. So this is your business, different data about your business, probably the things that you have uploaded there. All these are good to know, but I myself doesn't use all these things. So at the billing, this is where you set your billing information, payment method. You'll be able to see how you're being charged every month, or every time you reach the threshold, you'll be able to see it there. This is the section for admin. This is where you set account settings. This is where you can add other people. So if you want to add people to your ad account, or you want to add an agency that is running your ads for you, this is where you come to admin, then go to account settings. You can go to account settings. You'll be able to see every information that you've given about your business. Then there is this section. Most important is the access and security section. This is where you add users. So if you want to add users, you click here. You can add users. So all what you need to do here is to click on this plus icon here and put in the email that you want to add, and then give them access. Probably if you want it to expire at a certain date, you can set it to expire at a certain date. Then make sure that you can give them admin level access. If you have admin access to the ad account, you can give them that. If you don't have, or you can give them standard access, read-only, billing, email. You could give them different access levels. At the managers, this is where you add a business, and you could click on the plus icon that you will be able to find here. Click on it and then add a business. You will be able to add it using the ID, the business ID, or the merchant client dashboard ID. So you'll be able to find an ID for that client or agency and then give them access using that ID. So that's the dashboard. That's how you navigate your account. And I'll be producing more content in terms of how now to create your campaign, how to do your keyword research and other aspects of your campaign creation. So see you in other videos that I'm going to create. If this video was helpful, make sure that you click and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.